How to log into Qantas Frequent Flyer. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box. Type in Qantas Frequent Flyer and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, qantas.com. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now, at the top right corner, you're gonna see the option of login. Click on it. With that, login page will appear. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide your credentials. First up, go ahead and type in your membership number. Then type in the last name. Then type in the PIN. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of remember details. After you provide all the details, click on the option of login, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of join here and go through the process. Well, this is how you can easily log into Qantas Frequent Flyer account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.